We are the students of Dhana Sila Government Engineering College from Mechanical Branch 4th semester. We are here standing before you to tell you about the fatigue testing machine. And first of all, I would like to call Siva Nisa to explain the introduction part of fatigue testing machine. Siva, please.
Thank you, Sudhanshu. My name is Siva Nisa and I am from Mechanical Engineering Branch 4th sem. We will discussing about the fatigue testing machine, a generalized form of material testing that is performed by applied cyclic loading on a structure or specimen. Firstly, we discuss the fatigue. When the material is felt due to the cyclic loading is called fatigue. Fatigue testing machine performed to measure the reduction to stiffness and strength of material under under cyclic loading and to determine the total number of load cycles to failure. Now I would call to Shobha to explain the parts of fatigue testing machine.
Thank you, Shiva. My name is Shobha Suryavanshi, मैकेनिकल फोर्स। ये मोटर है जो कि टेस्टिंग के दौरान रोटेशन प्रोवाइड करता है, और ये प्रोसीजर मॉनिटर है जो कि नंबर ऑफ साइकिल बताता है। ये मेंस है और ये बटन से स्टार्ट होता है, ये बटन से स्टॉप होता है। ये दोनों मेन बेरिंग है जो कि स्पेसिमेन को सपोर्ट करता है। ये दोनों लोड बेरिंग है जो कि स्पेसिमेन में लोड अप्लाई करने में हेल्प करता है। ये हैंडल है, इसे रोटेट किया जाता है, और ये वेट लोड है।
Thank you, Shobha. Now I would like to tell you about the working procedure of fatigue testing machine. First of all, we have to tight both the ends, and after that we tight the guidelines. And then after that we have to we apply the hanging load which is here, and after that we have to make sure that this reading should be in 0 RPM. This is before the condition of starting the machine condition, and after when we will on this machine, then we have to make sure that this reading should be in the 0 RPM. And then after that we have to fix this specimen into this workpiece into this machine, and after that we have to apply we have to on this switch and start the testing process. Now I would like to call Renuka for proceed this testing.
My name is Renuka C. I am from 4th sem mechanical branch from GSGEC. Start the motor, and then number of cycle is shown in this motor. Number of cycle in motor, and then after then find shear stress. Shear stress formula is P into L into 32 by pi d cube, and where L is length, specimen of length, and D is specimen of diameter, and then find the shear stress. Stress find after the bending moment. So bending moment formula is pi by 32 into d cube into shear stress. So put the value shear stress and diameter of specimen, and then find the bending moment. इसको देख सकते हैं. So this is our calculation part. Length of a specimen is 70 mm and diameter of the specimen is 8 mm, and this part of 12 mm, it's part of 8 mm, and number of cycle is showing here, and then find shear stress. Shear stress formula is 32 upon pi d cube into L into P, where L is length of a specimen and P is load, and then put the value and then find shear stress. And after then find its bending moment. Bending moment formula is pi by 32 d cube into shear stress, where d is diameter of the specimen and shear stress is this. Okay, so find bending moment, and this unit is mm per kg. Now I will tell about precautions. So first of all, this specimen is diameter is prepared in proper dimension, and take the specimen is proper position, and taking reading carefully. Now I would like to call Sudhanshu Mishra for conclusion.